Hey, very good morning. This is Faisal here on Kairaba Mirbat Research. Right now, here at local time at 8 a.m. in the morning. So here now it's a little bit cloudy and a little bit of rain. The rain exactly started from 7:30, so it's still not stopped. Due to rain, the guests is still in the room. They will not come. Maybe later on when rain fully stopped. So as you see, the whole area, the flow, it's water and water. So wet flow. I think hopefully, I guess rain more than half an hour will be continuing. So let's see how it's gonna be stopped.